Semiconductor is like about 5 to 6 verticals, correct? You have the design ecosystem, which exists, courtesy MNC companies, courtesy local companies. We are very mature. Then you have the product ecosystem, which is almost non-existent, but large companies like L&T Semi, IBP, Axiro, and smaller companies like MindGrow are coming about. Nitra Semi, that is there, right? So that's the start of a revolution. Then you have the packaging industry, which is starting to come. Investments are getting made. Then you've got the foundry industry, which is just taking baby steps. Then you have the equipment industry, which is almost non-existent. I mean, who supplies the equipment in the foundry, right? So each of those verticals, my standard advice is, look, do a capability audit and set reasonable goals for that particular sector. So saying we will reach some place in 2030 is meaningless. You should say, okay, our fabless guys need to turn out 100 million chips by 2030. That's a goal for the fabless sector. The design industry should be designing along with, similar to Broadcom and Marvell, of saying, at least if you don't design the top of the line AI ML training or ML chips, we should be at an 80% level. And we should have at least 2 of the majors, say AWS and Google, as our customers. In the equipment industry, you can say that, look, we need all the base gases and all of that, and we should at least be supplying equipment at a 90 nanometer level. In the fabs, you should say, okay, do you need silicon carbide fabs? Yeah, we need, because we consume a lot of power parts and all that, right? But we also need mixed signal fags, and up to 40 nanometer is okay. I'm satisfied with that, right? So each vertical in the semiconductor needs a certain vision. It needs a roadmap. We need to figure out how much of public-private contribution needs to be there. So I would prefer to see a task force and mission mode for each vertical and let each one of them take their own course. Talking about semiconductor as a whole does not do justice to what is a very vast industry.